And special thanks to our friends at this company who was nice enough to send us their computer headset. This is the HW03, nothing on the top, the bottom. Side just shows you kind of the controller, plugs right in with the USB cable. On this side, the microphone has noise reduction. You can listen to music, has soft ear pads, and it's perfect for movies. The back gives you a little bit of the driver diameter, the sensitivity, the frequency range, and the power. So let's open it up. Well, look at that. It comes in a little cloth case. Well, that's it for in the box. So inside of this nice carrying case is our computer headset. So this one would be good for multiple things. It does have a little user's guide here, and unlike most headsets that plug in with like an audio port or with a audio cable, this one plugs in with a regular USB. As you can see here, there is an included microphone, so you could use this for chatting in a video game or in a Zoom meeting or something like that. And then there's of course a left and right speaker for putting it over your head. Love the nice red cable, pretty good length here, looks to be about 4 feet of length. And then here you have a few options. You can turn it up or down, you can mute your mic, or you can mute the audio right from this little built-in switch. A very nice headset, nice flexible feel, adjustable in many different ways. Of course, the mic is fully adjustable to get it however you may need. And there's just a nice little company logo there, but outside of that, nothing else on the headsets. Look at that. Lots of adjustability. So this should fit literally any size head. So that'll do it for this computer headset unboxing. Thanks again to the company for sending this to me to show you what you get here. This would automatically install on a Windows PC. You just plug it into the USB and it'll work. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.